good sandwich, so.
Yeah, you do make a very good sandwich. What kind of sandwich should we have now? What kind? You tell me. What kind? How about, we can have a peanut butter jelly. Peanut butter jelly? Or peanut butter banana sandwich? Yeah, okay. Grandpa's the bread, you're the peanut butter and banana, and Grandma's the bread. Here we go.
Sandwiches.
Sandwich. Yeah.
Zoe sandwich. Should we have a Zoe sandwich? Yeah, okay. Zoe sandwich.
Sandwich, sandwich. I'm going to eat you up.
I think that was the best sandwich of all.
Yeah, that was the best one.
The best sandwich of all, the Zoe sandwich.
Zoe makes the best Zoe sandwiches. Yeah. Yeah, I love you.
So when you come to our house, we can make some more sandwiches. We can do some snuggle time, and we can have a real fire that puts us heat.
No, I think we decided we wouldn't.
Oh, that's right. Too dangerous.
Too dangerous. In fact, I wrote notes last year that this year for Christmas, I'm going to put the creche in the fireplace since we can't use it for fires. Yeah, because we have Emma walking around furniture and stuff. So I don't think we want to fire until after everybody goes to bed. But.
Yeah, maybe we could do it
I
then.
don't have any wood in there anyways. And then just set up a fire.
There's a tickle
glass
bug.
break.
Did you find him? Where is he? I think he's over here. I'm trying to find him. Where's the tickle bug? Do you know where he is? Is he over here? Where's the tickle bug? Is he right there? Right there? Oh, where's the tickle bug? Zoe, do you know where he is? Where? Show him. I'm gonna get him. Put him outside. Where's the tickle bug? Where's the tickle bug? Where is he? Where is he? Is the bug crawling up your way? Where's the pizza spider?
Worry.
Pizza spider.
You say bye-bye. Bye-bye, camera.
Oh.
Bye-bye. We have a great time here. So we'll come back.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
And we'll see you in a couple weeks for Christmas.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes.